Assalamu alaikum. Good morning everyone and welcome to another vlog. Today I'm gonna take you to a historical castle of Urwa bin Zubair. The Urwa bin Zubair Palace is the very important archaeological sites, as its ancient features still preserve it from the grooves of oblivion, preserving its cultural identity that has been hidden in the wear of time and space. Therefore, we find the general authority for tourism in the kingdom initiated the restoration of many archaeological sites to be gathered through the fragrant past. Among these palaces was the palace of Urwa bin Zubair, the well-known Tabi'i and one of the famous jurists in Madinah. His father al-Zubair ibn al-Awwam was one of the 10 companions of the Prophet ﷺ, to whom he gave the happiest news of all, that of the certainty of being admitted into heaven on the day of judgment. Urwa's mother, Asma, was the daughter of none other than Abu Bakr, the Prophet's closest companion. The Urwa bin Zubair Palace is located on the bank of Wadi al-Aqeeq, which is located in the west of Madinah, specifically along the road that leads to the miqat of the people of Madinah. The palace is located at a distance of 3.5 kilometers from Masjid al-Nabawi. As for the one who built the palace, it was Umar bin Abdullah, after he commissioned him to construct it, and some of the buildings of this palace are still present to this day. The castle, which was built on a mountain, overlooks al-Aqeeq valley, and its walls and foundations were built with stones cut from the nearby mountains. Urwa also had a well dug near this complex to water his land for the purpose of cultivation. In 2013, the historical ruins of an Ottoman-era castle were unearthed in excavation carried out by a team of archeologists. Among the discoveries were pottery, glass, tools made of stone, and steatite. The main construction materials discovered during the third excavations included marble and glass, as well as steatite and ceramic that show how far the Islamic ceramic industry developed during the 1st and 2nd Hijri centuries. Several pieces of glass and artifacts, as well as metal tools apparently used for decoration purposes, were also discovered. The entire area is now fenced off and is officially recognized as an archaeological site.